In today's video, we will discuss why your phone screen flashes like it's taking a picture and how to fix this issue. The main reason your phone screen flashes could be due to damage. Inspect the screen for any physical damage before changing any settings or downloading new software. A broken screen may flicker if the internal components are damaged, so if your screen is cracked, replacing it is the first step. After replacing the screen, check if the flickering continues. If it does, the issue might be related to poor display settings. Adaptive brightness, which adjusts your phone's brightness based on the surrounding light, often causes screen flickering. To disable this feature, open the settings and go to Accessibility. Tap on Display and Text Size, then switch off Auto Brightness. Samsung users will find this setting under Display Settings. After disabling this setting, see if the flickering persists. If the problem continues, it could be due to software glitches. To check for incompatible apps, boot your phone into safe mode by pressing the power button and then long pressing the power off option. If the flickering stops in safe mode, return to normal mode and delete any third-party apps that might be causing the issue. Additionally, ensure your phone's software is up to date. Open Settings, tap on About Phone or System, then click on System Update to install the latest OS version. That's all for today's tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.